on now. You can't take a dip yet. What? You gotta introduce yourself.
Hey, this is Scoob. What's good?
Alright, it's Scoob and your boy Old Man Rivers out here. We on the pond fishing. And we're gonna bring you some Southern Blend, Copenhagen, and we're gonna talk to you a little bit. Go ahead, throw your pinch in first, goddamn.
We doing big old fatties or?
Hell yeah. Pack it till goddamn lip can't pack no more.
Damn.
That's after his pack and pinch. I'm gonna throw in a wad.
Damn, I fucked up that pinch. I got so much under my fucking tongue.
Hell yeah. I can't even pack my shit down, sitting in my jaw. I think I swallowed some of that shit. Ah, shit. I think I swallowed some.
Oh, rip for that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing good over here. I just gotta get it situated.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We was out here catching these from the start right here. He's getting one on right now.
Damn.
You get him?
Damn.
Good damn shame. Good size brim out here. Let's get the liver up real quick.
Damn, y'all. Alright, so we're gonna talk to y'all a little bit about fishing. So today we on the pond catching brim. We're using multi types of bait.
We're usually throwing out chicken liver on the hooks where they catch the bait. It's real good for anything. Chicken liver, best bait out there. We got 2 cat poles out right now. One set with a carp and the other set with brim cut bait. And it's doing good for us right now. I seen the pole over there get a couple taps. Seen that pole ain't really getting nothing yet. Carp seems to be doing good right now.
Yeah, but me, I ain't even catching nothing but brim.
Now you caught that one cat.
Yeah, and one catfish that was on what side? Right here?
Yeah.
It was over here on this side on the little gray pole I use. But yeah, those are the 2 catfish poles right there and over yonder. And we got some nice catfish out of this pond so far.
And we got a good old 10-pounder last time.
Mm-hmm.
So we got a 7-pounder and a 10-pounder the last time we were out here.
And then it's a monster out of here. We're trying to catch 2. Hopefully we get her today.
And hopefully he gets on the big old pole right there, get the motherfucker screaming.
Yeah. But other than that, we fishing, spit and dip. I huge ass down wad in today. Listen to your wad. We packing fats out here and listening to damn bluegrass, that good music.
Yeah.